The building sector is one of the largest energy consumers in Europe and is responsible for more than one-third of the EU's emissions.
A recent publication on the performance of building stock shows that over 97% of existing buildings must be upgraded in order to comply with the 2015 decarbonization targets.
The Remodule's key objectives are making deep renovation easier, faster, and more attractive.
The main idea of Remodule's project is to support the building market, supplying structured solutions, tools, and procedures.
We're doing that by gathering the existing wealth of knowledge on technical solutions, innovative business models, and financing schemes that are present in the territory.
In particular, when we talked about Remodules, we realized that the wealth of solutions have been developed in previous projects, ranging from technical solution, financial solution, user-centered business models.
For many reasons, most efforts in EU-funded projects are concentrated on the development of technical outputs rather than on their market exploitation.
One time an European project ends, can happen that the solution developed finish with the project.
Remodules aims to go the next step, from solid exploitation plans to market uptake.
Remodules gives us the opportunity to bring these different pieces of knowledge together and to provide an integrated renovation service to the people that really need it.
The best thing about the Remodules project methodology is its integrated nature. This is, it provides a global solution for offering service that cover the entire renovation process and is not limited to solve certain points in the process.
Our services and tools are modular and they are integrated in the Remodules platform to make deep renovation easier, faster, and more attractive.
Meaning modules for envelope retrofit, modules for systems retrofit, modules for improving indoor environment quality, and similar.
And that's why we believe that by picking up the suitable models for a certain local market that is very well, very precisely defined, would help us to solve that puzzle from the bottom up.
And we're doing that so it's the people at the center of this process. This is a core idea of Remodules approach.
Homeowners are one of our main targets. They will get a clear advice on how to renovate their places.
In the Netherlands, almost 25% of the carbon emissions set for 2050 are represented by the existing housing stock. More than 70% of this building stock is privately owned, and therefore we actively reach out to all the homeowners to make the expected impact.
The part of the project methodology, which I believe stands out more, is the idea of working at pilot market level.
Pilot markets are case studies for exploring the regional and national markets for skills, materials, services, technologies that make up the building retrofitting market.
Netherlands, Italy, Spain, France, Greece, Bulgaria, and Slovenia are our pilot markets.
In Remodules, we have formed a group of RELABs in each of our 7 pilot markets. A RELAB is a group of experts organizations that cover the demand side of renovation, those who want to renovate their homes and buildings, the supply side, professionals who provide services for renovation, as well as the institutional and financial side.
These boards have a pivotal role in forming sustainable networks to support the local ecosystems and to ensure that results will be rolled out on a large scale.
The project impact are measured thanks on the basis of key performance indicators like numbers of homes being renovated or gigawatt hours saved triggered by renovation.
At the same time, a boosting to local economies is expected as professionals are trained in the Remodules staff training program and jobs expected to be created for workers involved in renovation works.
Benefit will be seen firstly in the pilot markets by the people living there, and later also on the national level.
Any person or agent involved to a greater or lesser extent in the housing retrofitting sector can contribute to the Remodules project in many ways.
All stakeholders, institutions, the supply side offering renovation packages, and of course the demand side with the building owners, are expected to have a key role in implementing the renovation wave.
We're always looking forward, talking to municipals and homeowners that are thinking about renovating their buildings or building a community.
That's the only way that we can develop our project even further.